everybody! So in this video we will take you from Singapore to Christchurch in New Zealand. We will be going to the South Islands and we're going to be spending a good 10 days around the South Islands. So this is how it goes. We will probably be going all the way this way. Sorry, something wrong with my camera, my phone. So we will go all the way from SIN to CHC, which is the South Islands. So before we start, let me show you a very cute video of a little Tete feeding my son at the airport. Landed in Christchurch, pick up the rental. The car is huge. We can put our 2 big luggages behind because we got a 4-wheel drive. And here we go. So we're driving to our hotel now. As you can see, he is in his car seat, which is a very good sign. He's also very tired. Maybe that's why he's in his car seat. But yeah, we're on the way. The bedroom, this is how it looks like. Very cozy. We have a cupboard there. We have an area for our luggage, and this is a full-length mirror. And we come over here, these curtains can be drawn. Actually they were drawn, they were not drawn. I drew them because the car park is just here. Anybody parking their EV vehicles will park in front of our room. Yep, so this is the room.
Okay guys, so we have reached Christchurch. So we're just exploring town, having a chill afternoon. What time is it now? It's 3:33 and 11:33 Singapore time. And yeah, crossing the road. We are just having a chill. Fast, so fast? What? Okay, just having a chill afternoon lah. Yeah, we'll just try to go to McDonald and take a look at what they have to offer lah, being cheapo. So yeah, see you guys later. Okay, so here's what it is. Fries, sauce looks the same. Angus beef. This one comes as a standard item, no need to top up. That's good. Around 15.90 there, 1.3. Yup, do the math yourself. Okay, let's see. Hey, how to open this thing? Open the burger for me, please. Thank you. How does the serious? Hey! Wow, lucky. Aiyo. Okay lah, looks not bad. Okay, you want, wait, sit down first. Sit down. Okay. Nice? Wow, so
Mama, sit down. Okay, so he's nyamming me because I didn't do a video just yesterday when we came in. But anyway, this is the dining area. As you can see, we have our food items here. We are packed to go actually. Yesterday we were so jet lagged. Sofa, couch. We came in, we saw this, we were so happy. The baby cot. Then we have a little counter there. Television, really big one. So you can tell this is a executive 1-bedroom. There, this is the bedroom that I went through the review yesterday. It's a bit messy right now. So as we walk further in, you will see the toilet. So yeah, don't mind my socks. So anyway, this is the toilet. It's nice, big, clean, and they provide you with enough amenities. So you have the bath foam, shampoo, conditioner, hand soap. Oh yeah, and then there's also a double shower, which he thinks is weird, but I think it's quite cool. 2 people can bathe at one time. So we have one on this side, and then we have the other on this side. The water takes very long to heat up though. So even though I turned that on, this side was still not hot. So in the end, we gave up on this. We didn't bother using this shower. Yep, so So we had one night here, and I would say that, let's get out of the toilet first. And I would say that this night, very strangely, we have this is a blind. I had to bring it down yesterday. So you see, we have a mirror in the toilet. Well, it lets in natural light for sure, but I don't know why you want it in the toilet. Anyways, okay. So there are some hooks for you here also. Yes, we have face towels, the usual, basically the usual. Yeah, and then there's a fridge here, which is not really cold. Maybe because it's winter, it's colder than the fridge now. Yeah, that's all about it. Will we stay here again? Probably. It's a bit far from everywhere, but we'll go outside and I'll show you the view from outside. And then yes, this is very strange painting here. Husband's finding it sinister. Anyway, that's him.
Okay, so before we get out of this place, this is the scenic hotel Cotswold Westminster Room Restaurant. So it's all very medieval themed. So yup, you see, that's the reception, parking, and all. Yeah, very quaint place. I love it. Yeah, it's not too expensive, right? 130 only, right? Yeah, 130 plus. So yup, and that's the exit before we make our way out. And then yup, that's the car. Okay, so yeah, we are off to the next place, Lake Tekapo. Bye bye.
Our trip to where? To the Lake Tekapo. It's a bit bumpy, but it's okay. Look at the view. The view is nice. The car is warm and toasty. So this part of our journey actually starts off at Christchurch, which is over here, and then we will be traveling down this way all the way to point A, which is Fairly Big House. This will take about 2 hours plus, and then from Fairly Big House we will actually head up to Lake Tekapo. Wow, I don't know whether you can see, but this is the view. All the mountains. Yeah. There's the view from the car. On the way to the lake. Very nice mountains. So you look, the Alps are even bigger here. We're getting close. I think we can see more of it when we go to the lake. But we can see the farms. So we are about an hour in, and the scenery has changed again. As you can see, the mountains are now in front, and the lake is in front as well. And the sun has fallen asleep. Look at him. Aww. Okay lah, better sleeping than cranky. And look outside. So many cows. Moo moo moo. Alright, and then we can see the mountain Alps there. So, wow. Gorgeous. Another hour to go. What's up? Wow, look at the view. Wow. This is some random lookout. Everybody is here. You like it? Me too.
Later again, the lake is even nicer. Wow! 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 He's looking at the phone. Wow! Okay, so we are how many km away? 4.2 km away, and you see everything is white. The vast nothingness of white. You see outside? It's all white. 看不到东西的。Birds eating roadkill. On the
trees
road.
also very nice.
Wow, even the trees are white. Everything is white. My goodness. Wonder what kind of temperature are we looking at here?
So hello everyone, we have reached Galaxy Boutique Hotel and our room is up there, that one there. You can see it's quite see-through, so we cannot go naked in the room. Yeah, this is the view. It is really so cold. Dark clouds are forming. Better go to the lake soon. See you!
Okay, wow, welcome to Winter Wonderland. Woohoo. See? Welcome to Winter Wonderland. Be careful, don't let him fall. Ice no, all ice no, careful. Okay, so we are in the town center. Kid is playing with some statues, sculptures and stuff. We are trying to see how we can get to that place over there. Okay, Lake Tekapo, New Zealand, Christchurch. Woohoo, okay, still a little bit slippery. Not well equipped for the journey. Okay, we're going to the corner. Yeah, that place over there. Oops. Yeah, over there. So you can walk by the side of the river. I mean lake. Okay. Recording. Papa gonna throw at you. Papa throw at you. Woo! Okay, careful, 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 careful. 哇，他的 pants wet 了。Look at how thick the snow is on this table. Wow. It is -1 now. Cold, like don't know what. Okay. Okay. So more views of the lake. Yeah, can't seem to find a way to get to the edge. But yep, it's pretty much like that. Woohoo! Winter Wonderland. Now we are in the Russia Telescope. It's a dark sky project in Lake Tekapo. So let's see. It is a very big S telescope. S for super, okay. So yeah, very big telescope. And then it's part of the Auraki dark sky reserve, so that no light pollution here. So there's a lot of tours and all to go and see the Milky Way and things like that. But then I don't think we'll be able to see anything tonight because the clouds are above upon us. So okay, just going to take a look at the telescope so you can see over here. So over here, the telescope. I'm not sure whether you can see the telescope or not. Yeah, that's the telescope. And then it's also overlooking the lake. So yeah. Nice place. Okay, I guess you can't see the telescope. Yeah, so that's the telescope. How big the telescope is.
other than being a very great place to watch the skies at night as the stars will appear, it's also a great place for the toddler to play.